The foam roller is a great exercise for the upper back. As you can see, I was playing with different positions on my upper back, which I want to stress. Now, the key is I'm not trying to bring my body all the way up. I'm not trying to crunch my body all the way up. What I'm looking to do is really bring my back over the foam roller, but in a nice relaxed state, rather than forcing my back down. So we're just playing with different positions where on the upper side of my back, I can feel any form of tension. I can also go side to side to help with lateral movement to help open and free up the upper back. Give that a go, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a DM at any time.